Have you ever seen a treadmill in someone's garage? That's the future of the laptop. Expensive when bought, barely used later, covered in laundry, sitting next to a broken printer and a box of cables nobody has the balls to throw away. That's my prediction. By the end of 2027, traditional laptop and desktop sales will be down at least 50%. By 2028, laptops and desktops will be basically eliminated as the default way normal people get work done, not because computing disappears. Computing explodes, but the computer stops being the thing people operate all day. The laptop becomes background hardware, a cheap terminal, a closet server, a garage computer, a dusty little box doing chores while AI agents do the real work. The future is not everyone gets a better laptop. The future is you talk. The agent works, you command. The agent executes, you review. The agent fixes. That's it. Manual computing dies. Delegated computing takes over. Manual computing is open the app, click the button, move the file, update the spreadsheet, send the email, log the CRM note, waste 8 hours doing digital chores and call it a career. Delegated computing is do this, find that, write this, compare those, send the follow up, summarize the call, build the report, tell me what matters, tell me what's bullshit, tell me where I'm about to waste money like an idiot. That's why laptops are in trouble. Most people don't want a better computer, they want the damn result. Nobody wakes up excited to use Excel. Nobody opens Salesforce and says, God, I hope today I manually update pipeline notes until my spine becomes a question mark. People want outcomes, the report done, the email written, the client followed up with, the leads found, the proposal created, the invoice sent, the meeting summarized, the CRM updated. That's what AI agents are built for. Once people experience saying, do this, and the work actually gets done, they are not going back to dragging spreadsheet cells around like it's medieval punishment with a subscription fee. By the end of 2026, I think laptop and desktop prices start getting crushed. AI software gets heavier, operating systems get bloated. Every company starts stuffing AI into everything like a desperate restaurant putting truffle oil on fries. AI powered laptop, AI ready desktop, built in Copilot key. Translation: we slapped a robot sticker on the same aluminum rectangle and we're praying you don't notice the interface is changing. That's not innovation. That's panic in a Best Buy aisle. Old devices won't be worthless. They'll become cheap infrastructure. That laptop in your closet, that office desktop your company was going to recycle, that becomes storage, edge processing, a cheap node, a local AI appliance, a background machine. Your dusty laptop gets a side hustle before you do. AI companies don't just want users. They want compute. They want storage. They want local processing. They want cheap devices everywhere. So when millions of laptops and desktops are no longer premium work devices, they get dumped, discounted, repurposed, bundled, shipped overseas, sold into developing markets, given away with subscriptions, turned into agent terminals, turned into storage boxes, turned into processing nodes. The laptop doesn't die like a hero, it gets harvested for parts. It becomes the old Toyota Corolla of computing, still running, still useful, still ugly, still somehow alive in 2040 as a classroom, server, business, and maybe a chicken coop. That's the best case scenario. Worst case, e-waste with a webcam. Either way, the laptop loses the throne. By 2028, the question won't be, what computer do you use? The question will be, what agents do you run? That becomes the new flex. Not RAM, not processor, not screen size, not your keyboard sounding like a skeleton tap dancing on a lunch tray. The flex becomes, my sales agent finds leads. My research agent briefs me. My content agent writes drafts. My finance agent watches cash flow. My operations agent catches mistakes. My assistant agent manages the other agents. And my bullshit detector agent keeps me from launching another stupid idea at 2 in the morning after cold coffee and false confidence. That becomes the new computer, your agent stack, your workflow, your command system. The physical machine becomes less important. The intelligence layer becomes everything. That's why traditional PC sales get crushed. Not because people stop needing computing power, because they stop needing personal computers in the traditional sense. They don't need a laptop as their daily prison cell. They need agents. They need command. They need execution. They need leverage. One person with agents becomes 10 people. One person with a laptop is still one exhausted person with lower back pain and 37 tabs open. People keep saying AI won't replace you. Cute. AI may not replace you, But someone using AI agents will drag your ass professionally. This is not human versus AI. This is human with agents versus human still clicking around a dashboard like a confused raccoon wearing a lanyard. And the second person is cooked, not dead. Relax. This isn't a Netflix documentary, but career wise, cooked medium well with a side of, I'm excited to announce my next chapter. So here's the prediction. By the end of 2026, laptop and desktop prices start dropping hard. By the end of 2027, traditional desktop and laptop sales are down at least 50%. By 2028, laptops and desktops are eliminated as the default work interface for most normal people. They'll still exist, but they won't be the center of work. They'll be in closets, garages, schools, developing markets, back offices, server racks, agent boxes, storage nodes, edge compute farms, or sitting under a monitor collecting dust while a voice agent does the actual work. The laptop becomes the treadmill of technology. Everybody had one. Everybody swore they needed it. Most people stopped using it. Now it's holding laundry and shame. The future belongs to AI agents. The future belongs to people who can command machines. The future belongs to operators who can turn one human into a 10-person company. And unfortunately, that means I'll probably spend the next few years yelling at robots in my underwear at 2 hours in the morning, trying to build an empire while my laptop sits in the corner like, remember when you needed me? Yeah, I remember. You were heavy, expensive, always dying, and somehow needed 12 updates every time I had something important to do. Rest in peace, laptop era. You're not dead. You're worse. You're irrelevant. Subscribe, follow, or save this so you can come back in 2028 and call me either a genius or a sleep-deprived lunatic with Wi-Fi. Either way, I win. If I'm right, I predicted the collapse of the laptop as the center of work. And if I'm wrong, I still got to publicly talk shit about computers. That's not failure. That's diversification.